This is how to make a page for a Look2Talk book. It applies to stages 1 to 3 and also the alternative templates. I've already printed out the core page, laminated it and hole punched it and put it in the communication easel. I've printed off a topic page, this one's page 3 chat, but I need to get rid of this white section here. So I'm going to cut along the bottom, making sure that I cut carefully round the tab. Okay, now that I've got rid of that white area, there's one thing I want to do before laminating it, which is to write the page name on the back of the tab. I'm going to write it upside down so that as I flick through the book, it makes it easier for me to locate pages. So for example, if I'm going like that, the label is then the correct way up. So it's page 3, chat. And as you can see, it's then easy to read and find. I'm now going to pop it into a matte laminate pouch. The matte laminate is really helpful as it stops the reflection from overhead lighting. And then run it through the laminator. So my page has been through the laminator and I just need to again cut out this section of laminate as it's not needed. Cutting again around the tab. Okay, the final stage is to hole punch. Now my top tip to make sure everything lines up is that you want to ensure that if you have an A4 guidance on your hole punch, which mine has there, you want to line that up with the edge of the page, not the edge of the laminate. So I'm just going to do that now. In order to make mine work, I have to turn it upside down. I'm lining with the edge of the page rather than the laminate. And I hole punch. And now, when I hang it in the book, it all matches up.